When I was 5 years old, I picked up a nickel, thought it was a dime. I didn't have awareness for money or time. When I was 5.
Hi, Mammy. Hope everything is good down in Largo. Guess what? We got a kitten. Mom brought her home from the bar one night, and she is so cute. We call her Muffin. I'm making ollies in school and Lola needs braces. When are you coming to see us? We miss you. I can't wait for you to meet Muff. Love you, Lainey.
Wish I was 5 again. Playing Zelda on my Game Boy Advance, singing out of tune and not caring how I dance. Rocks are dropping out of my pockets. Big rainbow pops are glued to my eye sockets. Wish I was 5 again. Wish I was 5 again. Wish I was 5.
Motherfucker!
Oh my gosh, look at her.
Motherfucker! Fucking shit! Start!
You wanna play Scrabble? Yeah.
Let's see. Start, you son of a bitch.
I have bag. Your turn. Ooh, I Dingleberry. Oh, what? Dingleberry. That's not a word. Yeah, it is. No. Yes. I don't think that's a word. Look it up.
What the fuck? Oh my god! Jesus Christ! What happened? Get the duct tape!
Hi, Mammy. Thank you for the birthday card. I'm going to use the money you sent me to buy medicine for Muff because, guess what? She got ran over by the lawnmower. And lived. We had to duct tape her belly shut and Mom ran her to the vet. Mom is feeling really bad about it and says she won't mow the lawn no more. Lola says hi and we miss you. Right back soon. Love, Lynn.
But I've got all this dirty laundry to do. try and fall from above. But all these clothes keep piling